Let's beat them. Oh my God, they keep coming. What?
We should bring my dirt bike in there.
Want to bring a dirt bike in there and ride? Ford, you going to school? Ford, you going to school? You don't go to puppy school. Ford's going to school and getting a bath today, huh, Ford? Yeah, I'm getting a bath. And you're Jets and Lou. And you're going to school too. Different school, huh?
Yeah, that's her. I didn't recognize her.
H, I, J, K. Start over.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, M, N, O, P, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait, I gotta start over.
That's fine.
A,
Perfect.
I said V.
Nice, bro. That thing's sick. Big circle, big circle. Not big enough. Oh no, not big enough. Big circle. Okay, come back this way. Jump the ramp. Jump the jump. Go straight. Okay, come back this way. Jump the ramp. Jump the jump. Go straight.
number 15. Andrew.
How many flights?
11. Oh my god. How's that big one?
Running out of power?
What are you watching?
This.
What is it called?
Race.
Hey, what happened to your sandals? Huh?
Oh,
Where are your flip-flops?
Glad you're okay,
I
Carrington.
don't know.
You don't know where they are?
I don't know. Something went wrong with my rocket, and now it's not working.
I think I found the problem, Darrington. Look, your rocket's battery's out of energy.
Out of energy?
I'm trying to look at my movie.
What will I do now? Hey, I know. Let's take your battery to places where it can get all the energy it needs.
Yeah, let's bring it to some power stations. There's a power station that gets energy from the water, one that gets energy from the wind, and one that gets energy from this. What's this a picture of? The sun, right?
So if I take my battery to all those places, then it'll be full of energy, and then I can finally fly to the moon! Come on, Darrington. Let's go charge that battery.
Yeah, to the power station!
How are you feeling today? Sir? Sir, how are you feeling today?
Then,
Are you sick?
yep, a little bit more sick.
Oh man, are you okay?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Are you babysitting today?
Oh man, I'm so excited. Once we charge up my battery with energy, I'm gonna fly to the moon!
What are you doing?
Oh, you know, I've always dreamed about flying to the moon. Darrington, watch out!
What are you making?
Teeth.
Hey, look down there. It's the water power station.
Trying to get these out.
The dam blocks the river, so water has to go through that pipe. The water moves
Nice.
and pushes a turbine to make it spin. And that spinning turns the water power into energy we can use for our battery. Energy from my battery? Come on, fellas.
Okay, tell me a story while you watch this, please.
I was pooping
Okay?
and peeing on you.
What are that rumbling noises? Lug nuts. It sounds like a
Why?
slide.
Ooh, that was close.
Uh-oh. Those rocks are falling into the water and blocking the pipe.
Now the water can't spin the turbine. It stopped making energy.
No energy? This is terrible. We need a vehicle that can go underwater and move those rocks away from the pipe.
Hey, I know. What if we had an underwater
Give me your finger. Give me your finger.
An underwater excavator can drive under the water and scoop up heavy things.
Yeah! Let's make the parts and turn me into an underwater excavator. First, we need the bucket to scoop up the rocks. To make the bucket, say bucket. Bucket! Great! Now we need the boom arm. That's what lifts up the bucket. To make the boom arm.
Enjoy this beautiful smoke. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And when I first became a wedding photographer, like the first few years, I would exclusively shoot at a couple beaches, and one of them was Round Hill Pines, which I'm here at today. Transformation of this place has been amazing and money and awesome, but it brings back a lot of memories. I started in photography, how I booked a bunch of weddings by tagging them down Facebook and all that stuff, and stuff that social media was great for doesn't really work for like anymore, like at all, like algorithms and all that junk. But we're here shooting an elopement. I get to go on a boat for a few hours. Mad face. Silly face? Another silly face? You accidentally farted face? You have to go poo face.
I'm here for you.